What's up, guys? I'm Roasted Turkey here again with Cameron, who's about 7 is here. Today is animal noises. Let's do this. By the way, I'm using a really good quality camera, so it's really good.
Right. First animal noise I'm going to do is cow. So I'm going to go moo or something stupid like that. Right, if you didn't notice, I now just pulled it back, so we're just waiting on it now.
Wait, should we get things started? Do you feel it?
Moo. Oops. Sorry, that came out too suddenly. Oh yeah, before we start doing the burps, guys, someone commented on our video saying do a red face challenge, which is where you strain your face as hard as you can, the muscles in your face, which makes all the, I don't even know, it just makes your face go red. So I'm going to quickly do that and then we'll carry on with burps. Ready?
Okay, hang on. I'm going to zoom in on your face. Oh, Jesus Christ.
It might make me sneeze a lot, so...
Alright,
anyway,
go.
Oh! Oh! It kills!
Oh my god.
Right, I can already feel the sneezes coming. Oh god, here's the sneezes.
Oh my god.
Okay, right, that was it.
What's the next one? What's the next one?
Right, next, I'll do a sheep. Or a bear! Ready? Right. Pull from my back.
I'm dying.
Oh, legs. Oh, sexy legs. Okay, what animal next?
Alright, we're probably gonna have to do one more. Actually, no, let's just make this a long video.
2 more. 3 more. Which next? Quack.
Good idea,
Quack,
good idea.
It all went. Wait. What next? Oink of a pig.
Alright. Do
Good one.
the last two, a meow and a woof.
Oh yeah. Dog and cat. Ready?
Meow.
Right, next is a woof of a dog. I'll do a
Alright.
bark and a woof because they both sound kind of different.
Lift. Bark.
Okay, that's good.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Slap that like button.
Right. You guys are lucky to watch this video because I'm doing an exclusive sound of an animal, which is a fox. But
What does the fox say?